Hi, I'm Marcia from Guardair, and this is the Force 5 Safety Air Gun. Designed for heavy-duty industrial, construction site, and highway maintenance applications, the Force 5 is one of the most powerful air guns in the Guardair lineup. Delivering up to 13.5 pounds of output thrust, the Force 5 comes equipped with either a high-power venturi nozzle or a low-noise patented Quiet Force nozzle. Both nozzles are designed to be powered by standard shop compressed air or a 185 CFM tow-behind air compressor. And both nozzles are fully OSHA compliant, making the Force 5 the preferred safe alternative to dangerous, non-compliant homemade air lances. Featuring all aluminum construction, the lightweight but rugged Force 5 is built to take the toughest abuse. With a comfortable ergonomic pistol grip style handle, the Force 5 also features a dead man trigger to ensure operator safety and an adjustable auxiliary handle to maximize operator control. The Force 5 is available with heavy-duty aluminum extensions ranging from 24 to 72 inches. Supply compressed air to the gun via the 3/4 inch FMPT inlet, and you're good to go. Visit our website for more information.